Hi, this is Lauren bringing you a product reveal today. I am sharing the Simply Stunning 4x6 clear stamp that just released today, and check out these amazing images. I love these dancers. It is very Mardi Gras or Vegas themed. They have beautiful feathers and the palm trees and sparkling lights and these really fun marquee looking sentiments for Simply Stunning or Simply Sensational. I love that it looks like that they light up. So let's stamp these images out so you can see them, and I'll give you the measurements. We have our first girl with her big beautiful feathers, and she measures 2.5 by 3.25. Our next girl, she reminds me of someone on stage, and she measures 1.5 by 2.75. And our final dancer is measured 1.75 by 2.75. I just love these images. They're perfect for coloring. Next, we have our line of palm trees, and this measures 3.75 by 3/4. We have these fun star images. The first one is 3/4 by 3/4, and the second is 5/8 by 5/8. And then we have our sentiments. Like I said, we have simply, and you compare that with the sentiment sensational, or you could also pair it with stunning. I love that these look like marquee lights that be really fun to emboss these sentiments or stamp them in fun bright colors. So here's a close-up of those images. I love these girls. I think they are so fun. And to celebrate, I created this Mardi Gras themed card. I love that you can pair it with anything. I made a shaker card with some tulle and some fun sequins, but it's just a fun stamp set. Here's a close-up of my project. I have links to everything I use down below, and you can get shopping on the brand new products. Don't forget to join us on Instagram, Pinterest, and our Facebook group. Have a great day.